Hi children, happy morning. வாழ்க வளமுடன். How are you all? Yes, sixth grade. A good set of students. You are in the sixth grade students, okay? Very intelligent. You all are very intelligent. All the teachers know that, okay? Yes, dears. Today, geography, chapter 3. We came the third chapter. What is the first chapter in geography? The earth in the solar system. Second chapter, globe, latitudes and longitudes, that is imaginary lines. Children, if you see, the geography is the connection. Each chapter is connective, have the connectivity, okay? The first chapter, you are seeing the whole universe, okay? In that universe, where is the earth? What are the other planets present in the universe? Everything. And also that heavenly bodies, stars, everything these are, okay? Then second lesson, if you say, it's take the globe, okay? The globe. On the globe is the 3D model of the earth, okay? It shows the actual shape of our earth. In that we saw that latitudes and longitudes, the sets of imaginary lines. How the imaginary lines help us, everything, okay? Latitudes help us to locate the places. Longitudes help us to find the places as well as the times, okay, time of the earth. So these things we learned in the first two chapters. Then what is the third one? Geo means what? Already I told, earth. So geography is fully detailed about the earth, okay? It's give full details about the earth, children, okay? Yes, today the third chapter in the geography is very interesting for you. Yes, motion of the earth, okay? Motion of the earth in the universe. The earth is the third planet, so I selected this picture for you. Motion means here action, okay? Here action is mentioned as the motion of the earth, okay children? Every day we also have the motions, actions, walking, running, sleeping, eating, fighting, jumping. These are the actions of us, the people's actions. Like that here, Earth's action is what? There are two important actions, that is motions of the earth is rotation and revolution, okay? That is the two motions of the earth is rotation and revolution. Yes children, I hope you heard this thing already in the 5th grade, in the 4th grade also. But another one interesting message for you, the third action, the third motion of the earth is, do you know what is that? It is bouncing. Our earth is bouncing in the space. They are saying, the scientists are saying, our earth have the third motion also. The first is rotation, second is revolution, and the third one is that is bouncing. Our earth is bouncing. Okay, do you understand what I'm saying? It is bouncing. Okay, rotation means what and revolution means what? In this today, we're going to discuss about these two actions. Before that, yes, the first action is rotation. See how is our earth rotates? Rotation is the daily movement of the earth. Okay, children? Yes, our earth rotates on its own axis. Okay, it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. It rotates east to west. Okay, so west to east. Okay, dears? See, just you see how is our earth rotates. What is this line? A line is passing through our earth center. What is that line? Do you know that? Did you know that? What is that line, children? That is called axis. Okay, it is an imaginary line. You will see in the next slides. Okay, the next is here, rotation. The spinning of the earth on its axis is called rotation. Spinning means what? Spinning means it's rotate on like this. Okay. Have you seen the tap? Tap means, do you know the tap? Yes. How the tap is rotating? Yes, that is called spinning. It's rotate as it's okay. That's called spinning. The earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. Yes, children, if you see, we can see in the longitude rays itself, each and a sun is passing one race to another race, it takes 4 minutes. Like that, if the sun wants to complete all the 36 longitude rays, it takes 24 hours. That is, earth complete one rotation. Okay, children? So, how many hours to earth takes to complete one rotation? 24 hours. Okay. Where it is rotate? On its axis. Where the axis? Here you see this line, and this line is axis. Okay. Okay, then what is the effect of the rotation? See, if we are doing one action, surely we will get the result. Whether it is good action, we will get good result. Whether it is bad action, we will get the bad result. Okay. Here also our earth's action rotation. That how the result? No. For every actions we need the result. Here rotation causes day and night. Okay. Due to the rotation only we have the day and night. Yes, children. If you are see, if you hear means everything is the nature is unimaginable. Okay, the nature is mystery. Whatever we can say, we use the word. Okay, if you are seeing, Earth hold the special place in the solar system. It is not far away from the sun, and also it's neither near to the sun. So it holds the special place. If it is like Mercury and Venus means, the earth also receives more heat from the sun. So it is not possible for the life on the earth. If it is beyond the Mars planet, like that, Mars after Jupiter, Saturn means, the sunlight does not reach those planets. Okay. That means what happened? It's so cool. Okay. The temperature is so low. In that way, that position also, there is no possibility for the life. Okay. So earth hold the special place, and also earth rotate itself. Okay. That causes day and night. Okay. Imagine how it is nature great. Okay. If it is not rotate means what will happen? Yes, I will give the answer for you later. You think. Okay. If earth is not rotate, what will happen? You think. Yes, here I already said. Here I am given the picture for you with the longitude rays. Okay, so you can imagine each and every line receives the sunlight. One line to another line, sunlight takes 4 minutes. So 360 degree, if it is complete, 360 rays completed means it is 24 hours. The earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. Okay, dear? Do you understand what is rotation? Rotation is the daily motion of the earth. It's spinning on its own axis. Okay, it's spinning on its own axis. The movement of the rotation, how we can say rotation. Okay, spinning on its own axis. Then here also the axis, imaginary line here also, see, these two lines are imaginary axis, that is the axis line. Then it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Due to rotation only, we got the day and night. Rotation causes day and night. Okay, children, shall we go to the next slide? Yes, here you see, every morning we notice that the sun rises in the east and travel across the sky over the day, and in the evening set in the west. Yes, no? We saw Every morning we notice it is sun rises in the east, and each and every hour it travels to across the sky and it sets in the west. The statement is true. Sun rises in the east and it sets in the west. This statement is true. Yes, we use this statement, but sun is not moved from one place to another. Okay, it is stable. It is stable. It is in the same plane. Our earth only rotates and receives the sunlight. Okay, so we are saying every morning we notice that the sun rises in the east, travels across the sky over the day, and in the evening sets in the west. This is due to the rotation of the earth from the west to east. Okay, why it is that means rises in the east and sets in the west? This is due to rotation of the earth from the west to east. Our earth is spinning on its own axis, that's called rotation. It's rotate west to east direction. Okay, yes. Next slide. Axis. What is axis? The earth spins on its axis, which is not straight. Okay, yes, children, you see here what are the things rotate. For example, if this plate is rotate means, for example, it's rotating, no, so it need the axis, the central place. This place is the axis. Okay, children, so if it is rotate means it need the axis. The axis line is not straight. Here you see, the axis is an imaginary line that I already told to you. Even as the earth revolves around the sun, it remains tilted in the same manner. Okay, earth is spinning on its own axis, rotating, as well as it revolves around the sun. The next motion you will see in the next session. It remains, the axis is tilted position only. The axis is tilted position only. Due to this tilted position, the axis makes an orbital plane. Okay, so children listen, axis means is an imaginary line. It's running through center of the earth. It connects the north pole and south pole. Okay, it is not straight. Our axis is what? Tilted towards north direction. It is 23.5 degree north direction. It was tilted. Okay, children, it is not straight like this. It's slightly tilted. Next slide is revolution. Okay, the movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path is called revolution. Okay, listen, before that you just see the rotation. Rotation is the daily movement of the earth. Why we are saying it is the daily movement of earth? Because it takes to complete one rotation 24 hours. 24 hours means one day. So every day. So it is called daily movement of the earth. The spinning of the earth on its axis is called rotation. The earth takes about 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. Rotation causes day and night. Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. Every morning we saw that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. This is due to rotation because earth rotates from west to east direction. And axis. Axis is an imaginary line. It connects the north pole and south pole. Our axis is not in straight way. It is tilted towards north direction, that is 23.5 degree. Even as the earth revolves around the sun, it remains tilted in the same manner on its axis. This this tilted position makes the orbital plane that you can see in the revolution part. Yes, children, we will continue in the next session. Wait please.